Hello guys. So today we are gonna look around Whisper Live. So it is a custom build of Whisper Live package. So here I just built a Whisper Live package and add some bunch of other packages like the noise from Facebook, faster Whisper, with-lto hot word system, and so on. So the basically Whisper Live package, so gives a client and server architecture by which we can connect to make many clients and connect to the server, and we can run Whisper in each thread. So we have to make sure that we just connect not too much amount of client to our server. So it's gonna just take all the memory and basically maybe system gonna crash. So to install this package is quite easy. First of all, you have to just install this package, and after that you have to install the transformer. And do not worry about the version conflict. There is a version conflict between the tokenizer. So just stick with the latest version about 0.19.1. Okay. So there is a specific structure in which you can make a project. So to make the project, you have to just run this line of code, Python dash n, name of the package. So it is not updated. It's custom whisper for now. You have to write this whisper light, whisper light dash c, c and project name. And this is for the adding the noise or not. It is by default true. And if you want the simple server, you can just make it false. So it is the server architecture, server project architecture. So we have a ASR folder, we have a noise with folder, we have a var folder, we have a output file, and a server.py. So in hotwords file basically it contains the hotwords which you want to focus more. There is a that for the noise voice activity detection. There's a noise. It basically contains a base for noise not reduction. And this is the ASR folder in which you have to use this command to save the models. And server automatically details the model, and it's gonna detect the model list, and if we're not gonna supply the model at the time you connect to the server with that line, we're gonna set back the default model by itself. Hmm. So this is a project you'll see over here. So what I'm gonna do, demonstrate over here, I'm gonna transcribe the YouTube video by using this line. So uh, first of all, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna initiate my server. So I'm gonna start my server by writing Python 3 server.py. And if you didn't give the port over here, it's gonna default run on port 1990. So I'm gonna give the new port over here, about 9000, and I'm gonna run it. So just in a second, my server is started, and it automatically detects the GPU and CPU. And if it is the GPU, it's gonna run on GPU. So you can see over here, it is the first of all, our noise detection model is loaded, and it is this detection model is my detection model is loaded, and this detection model is common for all streams which we are connected. So everything is ready and up. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna use the loopback my. Okay, it is given in the example code. Okay, so we don't have to worry about it. I'm gonna start the client over here and turn on the YouTube. And some English. Okay, let's go to Rob's video. and it started. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna click this, enter, and now it's gonna connect to my server. Okay, the connection is already done, and if we're gonna start sending the audio chunks, and let's see how it goes. And you can see it start to transcribing. Okay, so the use case of this, you can use this also in me. And by using this, you can basically transcribe or get the notes on the meet or in the online session on something like that. So this is some use case of this. So thank you for this. Sorry for the delay for the video. I'm gonna make sure it's gonna be continuous for next time.